Are you tired of your 9 to 5 job? Are you yearning for the autonomy to be your own boss and dictate your own work schedule? If so, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, the allure of freelance work is drawing in individuals from all walks of life. So today, I'll take you to earning big bucks with these freelance jobs. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Number 1. Digital marketing. The world of digital marketing is experiencing rapid growth, ensuring high earning potential for those who master the craft. It not only promises substantial income, but also offers a wide array of monetizable skills and career prospects. Digital marketers engage directly with customers, guiding them through the services offered by various entities. For those ready to delve deeper into this profession, the role of a digital marketing consultant can yield an annual income of around $100,000. One of the advantages of digital marketing is the accessibility of learning resources online. Numerous articles provide basic skills and knowledge in this field. As the demand for digital marketing continues to surge, the opportunities for financial success and career growth are boundless. Number 2. Account executive. While countless career paths beckon, only a select few can guarantee a minimum hourly rate of $43 or more. The role of an account executive is one such career, focusing on managing newly acquired accounts and expanding the client base for different companies. Compared to other freelance jobs, this role comes with demanding hours, typically spanning from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. If this rigorous schedule doesn't align with your preferences, it might be wise to explore alternative career options. Number 3. Copywriter. When it comes to expanding your skill set and boosting your earning potential, don't overlook the power of copywriting. Research has shown that it's one of the most lucrative and fast-earning side hustles in today's digital landscape. Acquiring copywriting skills not only promises substantial financial rewards, but also opens doors to a multitude of opportunities. Within the field of copywriting, copywriters stand out as some of the highest earners, rivaling even the renowned medical writers who can take home more than $100,000 per month. Starting a career in copywriting is remarkably accessible. All it takes is getting started with a simple online job and delving into recommended literature, such as the ultimate sales letter. The role of a copywriter revolves around crafting marketing materials that prompt specific reactions from readers. In recent rankings, copywriting consistently secures its position among the highest paying freelance jobs. Number 4. Programming. Programming is a familiar term in our increasingly digital world. It involves using specific codes and computer languages like JavaScript and C++ to transform designs into instructions that computers follow within a website. Programmers typically work approximately 40 hours a week from Monday to Friday, earning an average wage of $38 per hour. Programming is closely intertwined with networking and analytical work, offering opportunities to enhance your skill set and knowledge base. While computer languages may seem daunting at first, familiarity with different coding languages can make the job feel like a walk in the park. As more jobs transition to digital platforms, having programming expertise becomes an invaluable asset to complement your skill set. Number 5. 3D modeler. Do you possess the skills and creativity to bring three-dimensional worlds to life? If you're a trained and skilled 3D modeler, the time has come to break free from the confines of a traditional 9-to-5 job. Your skill set is in high demand across diverse industries, including gaming, medicine, virtual reality, marketing, television, motion pictures, and even manufacturing. As a freelance 3D modeler, you have the opportunity to diversify your portfolio, catering to the unique needs of various sectors. Building your personal brand is also key to attracting clients, so craft an impressive portfolio showcasing your work and collaborations. But if you're just starting, Don't hesitate to offer free services to build your reputation and portfolio. You can charge a competitive rate of $19 per hour, offering you financial stability as you transition into full-time freelancing. And if you're apprehensive about leaving your day job, consider freelancing as a side hustle until it blossoms into a lucrative career. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps us spread the Thrive Wise love, so we can help more people thrive wisely. And going back, number 6, virtual assistant. In an era of thriving virtual offices and small businesses, the demand for virtual assistants is on the rise. As a virtual assistant, your role revolves around providing administrative support to clients as needed. Responsibilities vary, including scheduling meetings, booking appointments, clerical tasks, and bookkeeping. One of the perks of being a virtual assistant is the freedom to work from anywhere. Without a physical office to report to, you're not bound by a strict dress code, but maintaining professionalism during video meetings is essential. You'll need to invest in your computer equipment and ensure a reliable internet connection. Cutting corners on software or internet speed can lead to missed deadlines and client dissatisfaction. The financial rewards of being a virtual assistant are impressive, with annual incomes of around $60,000 being well within reach. Number 7. Makeup artist. The world of makeup artistry has exploded in popularity, with seemingly everyone becoming a self-proclaimed makeup artist. However, here's the secret behind this phenomenon. You don't need formal schooling for makeup artistry. What truly matters is your passion, creativity, and the ability to transform someone's vision into reality. To excel as a freelance makeup artist, attention to detail is your best friend. Understanding different facial regimens ensures you make the right choices for your clients, enhancing their satisfaction and earning positive reviews. Freelance makeup artists also enjoy the privilege of setting their own work schedule, choosing the days and hours that suit them best. If you're open to travel, this profession even offers opportunities to serve clients far beyond your local area. Earnings of up to $18 per hour are within reach without the need to bid farewell to your current job. And by diversifying your skills by specializing in bridal makeup, everyday looks, or even movie makeup, you can even launch a YouTube channel, generating extra income by sharing your expertise. With makeup artistry, the possibilities are limitless, and the journey is endlessly fascinating. Number 8. Professor. The world of education has rapidly shifted to the digital landscape, especially in the wake of the pandemic. Many educational institutions have embraced virtual learning, opening up opportunities for individuals to teach from anywhere in the world without leaving their homes. If you possess expertise in a subject, even without a master's degree, you can become a valuable online instructor. To become a college professor, you'll typically need to provide academic records, referrals, and testimonials. Expect a background check to ensure a clean criminal record. Once hired, your responsibilities will encompass tasks like curriculum development, grading, and creating a workable class schedule. Teaching might require as little as 9 to 12 hours a week, but grading and preparation can add another 10 hours or more to your workload. Colleges often offer competitive hourly rates, averaging from $42, along with incentives like subsidized master's or PhD programs. As you advance in your career, you'll have the flexibility to choose which tasks to handle and delegate others. Number 9. Graphic designer. Graphic design is a realm where creativity reigns supreme, making it one of the most financially rewarding freelance careers available. It's a field for those who possess a flair for wielding professional design tools with finesse. Even newcomers can command impressive hourly rates, ranging from $30 to $35 per hour, while seasoned graphical designers can rack in substantial weekly earnings. While some clients may prefer a degree in graphic design, a robust portfolio can be an equally persuasive asset. The typical workweek for a designer spans Monday through Friday, encompassing around 37 hours. Overtime isn't common in this line of work, but the beauty of freelancing is that you have the autonomy to accept or decline projects that demand extra hours. If you're pondering the long-term viability of a career in graphic design, rest assured that it's here to stay. The digital transformation of companies, from production to marketing and customer management, underscores the enduring relevance of this field. Number 10. Photographer. Unlike many of the freelance jobs on our list, photography necessitates stepping out of the comfort of your home to work. You'll explore picturesque locations that appeal to clients, with aesthetics that take center stage in your selecting process. The photography landscape offers diverse niches, catering to your interests. Whether you're drawn to portrait, wedding, tourism, nature, or even food photography, there's a niche for you to explore. It's a creative field that allows you to turn your passion into profit. Photographers can earn an average wage of up to $20 per hour, and the perks extend beyond financial rewards. You'll have the opportunity to travel, interact with a diverse array of people, and immerse yourself with various cultures. Moreover, as a student, proposing a job in photography to your parents is likely to meet with less resistance. Well, that's basically earning big bucks with these freelance jobs. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.